Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about allowing apps access to your microphone on your Windows 11 computer. So certain applications may require access to your microphone, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to enable that. So we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it, and we're going to start by right-clicking on the Start button and select Settings. You want to select on the left side Privacy and Security, and then on the right side underneath App Permissions, go ahead and select where it says Microphone and go ahead and left click on that. And now that we're in here, make sure the master control is turned on, and then you would go ahead and select whatever app needed access to your microphone, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.